Hello, my name is Tyler, and welcome to the Titan Bicycle Academy. Today this video will show you how to easily install your pedals on your new Titan bicycle. Installation of the pedals on your Titan bicycle can be made much easier by using the multi-purpose tool that is included in your packaging. The first thing you want to do is identify the red sticker with the letter R on it on your pedal and your crank. Then what you want to do is start by hand, turning towards the handlebars to tighten your pedal. Once you get it hand tight, you want to grab your multi-use tool and continue the process until your pedal is nice and tight. Over on the left side, you want to identify the green sticker with the letter L, also matching up on your pedal and crank. And again, you want to remember to hand tighten your pedal as much as you can, also turning towards the front of the bike. Use your multi-use tool to snug it nice and tight. For tightening, you want to go back and double check just to make sure both pedals are tight. Correct installation of your pedals is important and will prevent them from loosening during use. An accident or injury may occur should they not be properly installed. Just look how easy it was to install your Titan bicycle pedals. Now you're ready to ride safe.